The Oster 11-Quart Flex Air Fryer Oven stands out with its powerful dual-zone cooking feature that allows you to prepare 2 different meals simultaneously. I have provided the link to this air fryer oven in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. With 2 independent 5.5-quart cooking zones, you can cook at different temperatures and settings in each basket. Whether you're air frying chicken wings in one zone and roasting vegetables in the other, the sync and match functions ensure both finish cooking at the same time, saving you both time and effort in the kitchen. Its smart modular design offers even more flexibility. By removing the partition between the 2 cooking zones, you can convert the space into a single large 11-quart oven big enough to roast an entire chicken or cook a large family-sized meal. This convertible setup gives you the option to switch between dual zone and full capacity modes, making it ideal for everyday dinners or weekend gatherings. It's a smart upgrade for anyone looking to streamline meal prep without sacrificing variety or volume. The Oster Flex doesn't just offer flexibility, it brings serious functionality. With 6 versatile cooking modes: air fry, turbo crisp, roast, grill, bake, and reheat, you have the tools to make just about any dish. From crispy fries to juicy meats or even baked treats, this air fryer oven covers it all. Plus, it comes fully equipped with 8 dishwasher-safe accessories, including 2 cooking baskets, 2 mesh trays, 2 crumb trays, a large roasting tray, and a handle. That means less hassle cleaning up and more time enjoying your meals. To keep your kitchen organized, there's even a built-in storage drawer that neatly houses all accessories, so everything stays within reach and clutter-free. Crafted with a sleek silver metal finish and compact dimensions of 14.2 by 15.2 by 14.5 inches, it fits seamlessly on most countertops without taking up too much space. Whether you're cooking for one or prepping a feast for many, the Oster 11-Quart Flex Air Fryer Oven offers unmatched versatility and convenience. It combines the performance of 2 appliances in one, reducing the need for multiple devices in your kitchen.